Well, it snowed a bit yesterday. I'm sick. Yeah, man. Anyways, so what's going on today? Well, it's supposed to snow again Saturday. It was showing rain. Now there's a storm warning for up to 20 centimeters of snow. So I'm gonna go get the scraper blade put on the tractor. That's out in the woods. Tractor's been sitting for 3 weeks or more, so the battery's down, so I got that in the truck charging up. And yeah, it's pretty good. I don't know, power's out around here for some reason, and yeah, it's starting to be quite a day. So anyway, like I say, that's kind of the plan. Get out to the woods, get that put on. Hopefully it won't snow Saturday, but if it does, I should be ready. And maybe get some more logs cut. There, charge the battery up some, fire it right up. Let that warm up for a couple minutes and go get the scraper blade. Alright, oh man. Get the old blade hooked up. So that's pretty much guarantee it's just gonna rain Saturday. Hopefully. Say I got no power here, no idea why it's out, so I'm gonna have to go to Kingston, get a coffee, take a little break, and come back and try and get some logs cut. Oh man, I feel terrible. Ugh. Alright, made it out here. Start maybe clearing out here some. So quick figuring, gonna need about 100 boards minimum for the board and batten siding on my house, and probably just go 1/2 inch thick with that. Just, I don't know, shouldn't need anything. It's not structural, it's just looks, so should be good. And I don't know, say just go from there. 3-inch wide batten strips, so I'll have to do some more figuring on that. You know, for the barn, I'm not gonna get too pretty with the lumber on that. I'm not gonna need to. So go say, like, instead of making a dressed 4x4, I'll probably just flatten up 2 sides for my corners, maybe flatten up 3. That should do. And anyway, so that's kind of the plan. And I need a shit ton of lumber for everything I want to do, so every time I come back, get a few logs down, then I try and widen out a road so I can get in here. Anyway, better start dropping some trees. Isn't that gonna be a fucking bastard getting that out of there? This wasn't as bad as I thought. Yeah, I should have stayed home today. I'm just not feeling it out here. Okay, the top is broke off in this tree, so notched it and looks solid here. So maybe if I can get one good log out of that, maybe, hopefully, fire with the top. So yeah, that top there, just gonna have to wait till I'm gonna have the tractor out here, finish pulling it down. I'm just too sick to fight with that myself right today. So I got 2 decent logs out of the butt of that, and that log there, see, we're 9 feet, whatever it takes me, so should get at least a good 4x4 out of that, or barn board or something. But anyway, time being, let's get old stubby cut down here and see what I'm into. Alright, I'm surprised that's solid. So it's a little bit of a sway in her there, but anyway, let's get a log out of this and see how it looks. It's gonna be a fun one to limb. That's the top of the log. There's a bit of a split there. It's kind of froze up, but I milled that the right way. Should be able to get some decent boards out of it. And I guess I'll just have to fire with the rest of that. No big deal. Alright. So I think I'm just going to shut her down here. And you know, next time I come out, I'll have the tractor, so anyways, we'll get some video of that.